Hey there, folks. It's Dub here, and we've got the July 2018 box. We're gonna open this one up. A little Cairn action. Or Cairn. I think I pronounced it more like the name Karen, but maybe Cairn would be more correct. Let's see here. All right, so I didn't have a guess for this one. At least we didn't put one down yet. It's not entirely light. It's not heavy. I don't know. I'm kind of confused. I was thinking some kind of a container, like a water container maybe, although we've seen that kind of recently. Well, let's just open up and see what it is. I'm going to swing on this one. The s'mores are calling. They are still a little Cairn sticker, as per usual. Alright, so we're going to open that up. And right off the beginning, it's a little deal they have here. If anybody wants to pause. Oh, let me get that real quick. Ah, there you go. You know, pause on the various pieces to read the article. Go ahead. Otherwise, hit me up. You can have it for free. Alright. So the first thing here is, it looks like it says Gaia GPS. I'm going to assume what it says. It says 1-year membership, tap into the wild. So, let's see, we'll hold this up here and gives you a little readout back there. It says, stay safer in the woods. Redeem the code in the back of this card to activate a 1-year Gaia GPS membership. So, you get access to over 50 topographical maps, satellite road maps covering the whole world. No cell service required. Download the maps when you're off-grid for adventuring and traveling. Oh, very cool. So, I can just download that probably onto your phone or tablet maybe, or it's got the app in Google here, the App Store and Google Play, so you probably get it on your phone and then you don't even need service. Ah, it's a cool idea. All right. So check into that. Had not heard of that. All right. So it's the Lithium 4400. US battery pack and lantern from Power Tactical. Now, I don't know if I have the numbers on these right, but if so, well, we'll just open this one up because I've got some of these before from Power Tactical and I liked them. In fact, I bought some extras. Let's see if this is the same one. It is indeed the same one. All right. So this is probably the, I don't know, 5th one of these that I have, and 2 of them, one like doesn't work at all. It doesn't charge up at all anymore. I'm not sure what happened there. And one of them will only charge to the second battery. Now, there's a little flashlight unit on this, and then if it's charging, right there it shows you there's just those 2 lights. So as the lights charge up, it'll go up to 4, and you know it's max charged. But it still works as a flashlight for however much light you have. But I've got one that only goes to the two lights there. It doesn't charge up any more than that. You can unplug it, plug it back in. But the other 2 have worked flawlessly. So as a percentage, I hope this one works pretty good. It seems like they're doing all right, but they're pretty awesome in that it is the little flashlight. One thing that I never stated it anywhere in any of the manual, but obviously the flashlight part is very bright, but if you do that part, it's not so bright, and that actually kind of works pretty cool for like a night light in a tent, or if you're trying to be kind of, you know, subtle with things at nighttime. So it's kind of like a high-low. I'm not sure if putting it on the battery charge mode is bad for it. Maybe I broke those other ones. Who knows? We'll have to read the manual a little more in depth. But I do like those. That is very handy. And tasty food. Little drum roll here. What do we got? It's a Jimmy Bar. I've had this brand of bar before, as far as I remember. Jimmy Bar High Protein Lemon Vanilla Swirl. Huh, sounds pretty good, actually. Let's see here. Get a little read. I'll put the nutrition facts up there for everybody to get a look at there if you'd like to. And I'm going to read here just real fast. A couple things I like to look at is total fat is 11 grams. Calories is 260 in 1 bar, so that's a healthy little amount, and 21 grams of protein. Dang, that's a hearty amount. You know, only 4 grams of sugar, gluten-free. So there you go. All right, so going back in there, in the same order in which it came out, is the Jimmy Bar, and then we've got the Lithium 4400. Like I said, I've used before. It's a cool little charger. You can throw it in a bag or put it in your vehicle. It charges via the same USB cable, so you can plug it in and charge with the same one you can, you know, charge with. In fact, does it come with a cable on this one? I didn't even look. Oh, there we go. Dig a little further. So yeah, they've got this little cable. It's actually pretty short, so it's not too hard to like stick in a you know, pocket or a pack. Some kind of a go bag if you got one. All right, and then the Gaia GPS. So if you haven't looked into it, look into it. I'm going to. Who knows? Could be pretty cool. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. This is Dub signing off, and I'll catch you on the next one.